Marston, seconded by Ms. Davies, moves for leave to introduce a bill entitled An Act Respecting a Senior Consumer Price Index. This motion is deemed adopted. The Honourable Member for Hamilton East, Stoney Creek.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And I'd just like to thank the member for Vancouver East for supporting me on this important bill. Mr. Speaker, you may not be aware, but when seniors get an increase because of CPI, they feel that they're being slighted because seniors don't buy electronic goods, seniors don't buy brand new cars. So the way that the CPI is calculated, targeting what more normal working people base their purchasing on, does not reflect the reality of seniors. So I'm introducing this bill today to try to target more efficiently to those areas that senior consumers need. So I want to say that I'm excited by this bill, and we call this the Senior CPI Protection Act. And I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Marston, seconded by